Why does your scanner show the P0502 engine code? What does it mean? P0502 is a diagnostic trouble code for vehicle speed sensor A, low input. This error code indicates it triggers when your car's powertrain computer receives an abnormally low voltage signal or no signal at all from the primary speed sensor, which tells the car how fast it is moving. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: debris buildup, shorts to ground, faulty vehicle speed sensor, non-factory tire sizes, damaged wiring or connectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Honda, Volkswagen, Subaru, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.